IRS Form 1099 INT is the interest income form. Banks, credit unions, brokerage firms, and other financial institutions send this form to any account holder who earned $10 or more in interest during the year. The interest reported on this form is generally taxable as ordinary income and must be reported on your federal income tax return. You use the information from Form 1099 INT to complete Schedule B if your total interest and dividend income exceeds $1,500. The Payer section at the top identifies the financial institution that paid the interest. The payer's name, address, and federal identification number appear in the upper left. Your name, address, and taxpayer identification number appear as the recipient. If an account is held jointly, both account holders may receive a Form 1099 INT, or only the primary account holder may receive it, depending on how the account is set up. Box 1 shows ordinary interest earned on savings accounts, money market accounts, certificates of deposit, and similar accounts. Box 2 shows early withdrawal penalties if you cashed out a CD before maturity. Box 3 shows interest on U.S. savings bonds and Treasury obligations, which is taxable federally but exempt from state and local tax. Box 4 shows federal tax withheld. Box 8 shows tax-exempt interest from municipal bonds, which is not taxable federally, but may affect eligibility for certain credits. Report ordinary interest from Box 1 on Schedule B and then on Form 1040 as taxable interest income. If you had Treasury interest in Box 3, report it on Schedule B, but note it is exempt from state tax. Tax-exempt interest in Box 8 goes on Form 1040 as an informational amount and does not increase your federal tax, but may affect your modified AGI for calculating Medicare premiums or Social Security taxability. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.